Hello guys, so you are tuned in to music and culture. My name is Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. Please do the right thing. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Just be part of the team. Whatever you can do to be part of the team for now. But we need to talk about Shebeshkt. It looks like we need to pray for him. We are hearing news that he's been involved in a car accident. Hopefully there will be a statement that will be shared from his team as to what happened. There's a video that is circulating on social media talking about his accident or showing us the car. Actually, there are two videos, but let me show you the one video that I have. So according to social media, this is the car. So there's an argument there about whether he was going to a gig or not. This is the car that was involved in a car accident, because this is his second car, if I'm not mistaken. Shebeshkt, this is his second car, second polo. The guy loves polos. Remember, this first polo was also involved in a car accident in January. This one was the 2.0 turbo GTI polo. You know, this is a very fast car, guys. It's a very fast car. It flies. So most people who drive these cars are you know, they just like the speed. One of the reasons why you buy a car like this is because you love the speed. I mean, VW cars are nice, especially with speed and all those things. But this is his second car accident, and people are just talking about how this happened so fast, because his new car, the one that was involved in a latest accident, let me show you the car, and this one again in June. So in a period of 5 to 6 months he's been involved in a car crash. And remember, these cars are very expensive, guys. These VW Polos are not coming cheap. You pay close to plus minus 500, between 500k and 600k, maybe 600k, somewhere around that price. Maybe also depending on the features that you also choose and the model. But these cars don't come cheap. So this is Shebeshkt involved in a car crash, but then this one, it was earlier, before some old video of him driving his car. You know, he's always topless, Shebeshkt. Besides being topless, we know he always, like, you know, exercises his hands and stretch them and run away. There he goes. Shebeshkt. This guy. Yeah, but I really love Shebeshkt. He's raw, he's talented, you know, he can rap. He's just honest. He's out there. He's not scared of anyone. I love Shebeshkt. I love that attitude. But hey, we need to pray for him, guys. So there's another video that's also circulating showing a man laying on the ground on the side of the road with people circling him, and then he's talking. He's topless. He's wearing some red pants. I'm not gonna show you that video here, but this is the video that that we're talking about when we say he's been involved in a car accident. The video that I'm talking about, that I'm not going to show, is the one that is showing a man who is lying on the ground with people circling him. He's talking to the people, asking for water. I'm not sure if that is him or not, but it looks like he's okay. He just needs to recover, but we cannot confirm anything. We hope someone from his team will issue a statement as to what transpired and who was driving. Was he driving himself? Why is he driving himself? You know, who was driving? Who was with him? Where were they going? All those details, probably they will come out sooner than later, and we are hoping for his speedy recovery. Shebeshkt is having a huge influence in South African pop culture. Most people like him. They like his attitude. They like the way that he says he's a go-getter. People love Shebeshkt. I'm one of them. You know, I love Shebeshkt. So let's pray for Shebeshkt, guys. So this one, we'll just leave it here for now, and then we will just follow up and keep tabs on this one as to what transpired. Hopefully we'll get a statement or someone from the team to just clarify all these videos that are circulating on the socials. For now, we're just going to leave this one here and just keep tabs on this story. It's a developing story as to what happened to Shebeshkt, and hopefully there'll be a statement. So please do the right thing, subscribe, comment, like, share, and also tell other people about our place, music and culture. But hey, let's pray for Shebeshkt. Salute. Mengatidme.